Hey, buddy.
Close the bunny.
Give me a hug.
Look how close the bunny got.
Yeah. Hey, buddy. I love you.
Go pet it.
All right. I love you.
Go pet it.
You may go pet it.
Yeah,
I love you.
Up on it and pet it.
Gunner, I love you.
I love you.
Oh, it's about to. Look at that little cute baby bunny. What do you think about it, Gunner?
Wait, stay right there. I'm going to get my shoes on.
Okay. I don't know. Oh, there it goes. He said, what in the world was that? What are you doing? High five.
And I jump scared them.
Yep. I'm thirsty. I gotta go in here and get me a water. Did you have fun? Did you have fun down at the pawn shop?
I was about to throw up.
Oh no. Alright. Now we're playing the shark game, you guys.
And then after we finish playing that one, play candy. Oh, guess what I found in the shop box? I found the character from Candy. Go Hannah, go Hannah, go Hannah. Oh!
Ah!
I was bitching. I was bitching. But luckily it did.
Alright.
I got whichever color I want.
Yep. Ooh, I think he's about to bust. What was the number?
2.
Alright. Oh,
I got whichever color I want.
okay.
Cause I had to press the button.
Alright.
Oh, you got whichever
Orange.
color you want. Almost.
There is no orange. Let me do green. Let me do
No,
green.
just do whichever color you want. You forgot to check what.
It was 3.
I got whichever color I want. You got
There's a
green.
lot of hamburgers he's eating.
Ooh, yeah.
Ooh, hurry up.
Ooh.
I want to get
Ooh.
him exploding on film. Whoa! A pot belly pig. Look at him.
I'll play a different one.
Yeah.